Hello everyone, hoping you are fine and enjoying your good health. We are here with a GREE vocabulary. Do you know what GREE means? GREE is actually a graduate record examination and vocabulary we use in every aspect of our life, whether we are teacher, we are student, we are going to appear in any competitive exam. In every field we use vocabulary and it's make the sentence really impressive one. So channel here is Knowledge Zone, and if you are new there, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Here we have the first word, anomaly. We actually will discuss there at least one word a day. One word a day we will discuss there. So anomaly is the first word. Anomaly होते हैं बेज़ाब्तगी. इसको उर्दू में कहते हैं बेज़ाब्तगी. Something that is unusual and अनएक्सपेक्टेड, कोई कुछ ऐसा होना जिससे हमने एक्सपेक्ट ना किया हो. ठीक है, कुछ अनयूजुअल एंड अनएक्सपेक्टेड, क्योंकि हम देखते हैं कुछ डिफरेंट होता है तो हम उसे वो एनॉमली कहते हैं, बेज़ाब्तगी. ओके, सो हेयर आर इट्स सिनोनिम्स: aberration, deviation, abnormality, exception, oddity, rarity, freak and monster. All of these are synonyms. Synonyms are actually the same meaning words. Next we see here is a picture of a person having abnormality. So we will see here that this is the anomaly. And antonym we will see of anomaly are conformity, regularity, illustration, conformance, exemplification and specimen. All of these are the antonyms of anomaly. And see, here is an example that elaborates the anomaly. That's precisely the basis for a recent John Hopkins University study about the man with a rare brain anomaly that prevent him from seeing certain numbers. अब उन्होंने बताया कि एक यूनिवर्सिटी थी, जॉन हॉपकिन यूनिवर्सिटी, वहाँ पे एक पर्सन को ब्रेन अनोमली थी जिसकी वजह से वो कलर्स और सर्टेन नंबर्स को नहीं देख सकता था. ठीक है, ये अनोमली जो थी इस वजह से हमने यहाँ पे अनोमली वर्ड यूज़ किया हुआ है, तो ये एग्जांपल है अनोमली की. एंड वी हैव टेकन अ क्वाइट डिफ़िकल्ट एग्जांपल देयर बिकॉज वी हैव to improve our sentence structure also. So you can also use other examples for it, and you can also share it with us. And here is like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. And one thing, that your encouragement will really matter to me. Okay, your encouragement matters.